Hi guys! This is Mommy Dimple.
And this is Bella.
And this is the Mom and Me Vlog. Okay, so for today's video, we're gonna try out some healthy snacks. Right, Bella?
Yes.
So here it is. We're not endorsing SM, by the way. This is just where I bought these snacks.
This is kangkong thing.
This looks like junkies, but these are actually healthy things. You know what's kangkong, Bella?
No.
It's a leafy vegetable. We'll just search it up in Google and you can see it here in our video. The English of kangkong. The flavor is sweet corn. So we're gonna try out. They're making it yummy, so it's healthy and it's yummy at the same time. That's what we're judging. And this one is squash, kalabasa chips. See? It's with chia seeds, by the way.
Yes.
So yeah, let's see if it's yummy.
I need to get water just in case I don't like it.
Okay. Okay, so here's our water, just in case Bella doesn't like the taste. I also added, it's a mixed crispy pusit and dilis. Teriyaki style. Try this one first. Kangkong king, sweet corn flavor. It says, shake it for a tasty surprise. Shake it, Bella. Ta-da! I mean,
These look like leaves.
yeah, that's why it's kangkong leaves.
Wait, I think I've tasted this before. I can't remember it.
No, it tastes like sweet corn.
Yeah.
Remember the one we buy in SNR? Yummy siya, guys.
I like it.
I like it too.
I'm eating this for school.
And this is healthy. 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest, how would you rate this?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. 8.5 of 10. Because it's healthy and it's yummy. And I like it. Now we go to the next one. Kalabasa chips.
So hard to say when you go fast. Wait, it's like the same one in that one. Looks like Doritos.
Looks like Doritos, yes. Makita ninyo ang chia seeds. Yes.
It looks like seeds from a watermelon but just smaller.
The texture is good. Crispiness is good. But maybe Bella doesn't really. Siguro di ganyan si Bella kay gagawas yun ang lasa sa kalabasa. It's really squash. Di kaya siya palatable for kids. Pero sa mga gadayat siguro, this is a good thing.
4 out of 10.
4 out of 10, gabi. Ang kids man good more on kuan sila kanang palatability. Lami siya, it's good because it has chia seeds and then free siya. Lastly, kuan siya kanang gana siya pakpakon. I'm rating it 7 of 10. So there, kalabasa chips. Lastly, chan-chan-dan!
Pusit and dilis.
Yeah. So here's the pusit, guys. And here's the dilis. Cheers.
It's hard.
I really like the taste. Yan, teriyaki style. So I'm rating this 9 of 10. Usay, gasudanon pa na ako ni Usay, guys. How about you, Bella?
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10? So guys, that's it for our video. For the kids, I think this is highly recommendable because Bella loves it, right, Bella?
Yeah. It's my
And, yeah. Adults or teens, this is good. But for those like me, nga hilig kayo og salty or spicy, this is a good snack. So these things may look like chips, but they're healthy and they're good. So we are recommending them. So you can buy them in grocery stores or for us, we bought it in SM department store. Nag-eat naman ka din ha. So that's it for today. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.